Welcome back to Home Decor 101, your YouTube home decor channel. Don't forget to subscribe and let's get straight into the video. November is a month filled with gratitude, with warmth and cozy gatherings as we head deeper into the heart of fall. With Thanksgiving approaching, it's the perfect time to create welcoming, comfortable spaces for friends and family. Think warm tones, layered textures, and inviting details that really encourage relaxation and togetherness. This season also celebrates harvest and abundance, inspiring decor that includes earthy accents, natural woods, and soft ambient lighting. November's decor is all about creating spaces that really reflect gratitude and the spirit of the holiday season, both the one that we're going to find ourselves in very shortly, being Thanksgiving, and the one that happens next month. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know your plans for November. If anyone has any fall decorating done, inside or outside, I want to hear all about it. Until then, enjoy the video.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Once again, friends, I really appreciate you watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel. It will help me out. And if you want to see more, choose one of these videos right here. It's been great taking the time to hang with you today. I'll see you in the next one.